Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on creating a company record in ManuDyn Cloud 9. If this is the first time your system has been configured, a configuration wizard will be displayed and the top 5 items should be marked as completed if you have worked through the previous videos in the Getting Started series. The next item on the checklist is to create a company. To do so, click on this link, or if you don't see the wizard, go to the Database Entry menu group and click the Companies menu item. The Companies page is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn in that there is a blue toolbar at the top of the content area where we can enter the record that we wish to work with. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the company code that we want to create or modify. I will create a company called CUSDES, then push the Tab key to move into the Profile tab. The system is loaded in the profile for the entered company code. If we have entered a new record, the Profile tab will be blank. I will start by entering the name for this company, Custom Designs Inc. Note, I could have used this name as the company code, but I prefer to use a shortcode so that I can prefix any items for this customer with their company code. For more information on coding systems, see the video titled Create a Company Coding System in ManuDyn. Next, I will identify the type of company record as a customer. That way it won't appear when I'm looking through a list of vendors. We can optionally fill out the website, phone, and fax fields. Any comments can be stored here. When you are finished on this tab, click on the Contacts tab so that we can record our contacts for this company. The Contacts grid displays all the contacts stored against this company. To edit or view a contact, click on the corresponding row in the grid. To enter a new contact, click on the empty row at the bottom of the grid. Once we have clicked on the row, the Contact Details dialog appears where we can view, enter, delete, or move the contact record. I will just enter a contact name at this point and click the OK button. There is no limit to the number of contact records you can create. After entering our contacts, we will look at the Address tab. The address grid displays all the addresses stored against this company. To edit or view an address, click on the corresponding row in the grid. To enter a new address, click on the empty row at the bottom of the grid. Once we have clicked on the row, the Address Details dialog appears. First, we need to set the type of address record. In my example, I will set it as a delivery and invoice address, and then enter the particular details of the address. At the bottom of the dialog, we can set the tax group ID that applies to this address. When finished, click the OK button to return these details to the address grid. There is no limit to the number of address records you can create. After entering our addresses, we will click the Accounts tab. The accounting information can be optionally set on this screen. Most importantly, you can set the currency for the company on this screen. We can skip the Other tab for now, as it just provides some miscellaneous and user-defined fields, and instead click on the Notes tab. The Notes grid displays all the notes stored against this company. To edit or view a note, click on the corresponding row in the grid. To enter a new note, click on the empty row at the bottom of the grid. Once we have clicked on the row, the Note Details dialog appears. Here we can type in a note and optionally have it display as an alert dialog whenever this company is selected throughout the system, or have it print on any advices such as the quote, order, or invoice. Click the OK button to return these details to the note grid. I have now finished entering my company notes and can save this record by clicking on the Save icon in the blue toolbar, or I can save and close the record by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the tab. If you need to enter additional companies, you can do so now by typing in a new company code. Once you have finished, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home Page button at the top of the screen, or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will create an item record in the system. Click on the link to start the next video.